Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can earn a couple of $1,000 in just a week or a couple of days. And before moving forward, I would like to say thank you to all of you guys. We are growing day by day, and now we have 837 subscribers. If you are getting value from my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like my videos. I know you guys just want to know the secret of selling the NFTs and generating that much money, but before that, I want to announce the winner of our previous video, and the winner name is that Ryan Taylor. Congratulations to you, buddy. And now I'm gonna send you a free NFT. Just give me a couple of minutes. Let me send you this NFT, whichever NFT was that. Okay, it's called Bean Sketch 209, and I am going to send you this NFT. Let me paste your wallet address. Now we are good to go. Let's continue. It is loading and it will now ask me to pay some gas fee, higher gas fee because of the market current situation. So let me select the market value for gas, confirm this transaction, and let's see how will it result. And we are good. We are done. Alright, we just sent him a free bean sketch number 209 to our lucky winner, and congrats, buddy. So enjoy your NFT and list it for sale as soon as you want. Okay guys, I just refreshed the metadata of this as bean sketch, and you guys can see we successfully sent this NFT to our lucky winner, which is this Ryan Taylor. So congrats, buddy, and have a nice day. Okay, moving forward, let's get back to the video. Okay, now it's time to show you guys how much you can earn from a single NFT every day. Check out this collection on OpenSea. It's called Goblin Town VTF. Yeah, it's just kind of weird, but it is what it is. Right?
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Right? Alright, at the first I was not sure about this collection if it will do these kind of numbers in total volume, but I was wrong, and I have to admire that. Alright, now let's check out the activity section of this NFT collection, and you guys will see they are selling their NFTs every minute, or they are selling a couple of NFTs every hours. How much a single NFT costs. Did you see the guy just earned $14,000, this guy earned 10,000, 12,000, and yeah, we got another sale in while we were talking. We just got another sale. Now it's time to show you how much you could earn if you found this collection earlier when they first launched. Let's check out this NFT, this and this one. We just opened these 4 NFT. Yeah, these are weird type of NFT. Don't know why people are paying so much about this. I personally don't like that way, but that's my personal opinion. Everyone have the right to speak about his opinion, so it is what it is. Okay. Alright, let's just check out the activity of this NFT, and you guys can see here the guy who just sold it minted this NFT at 2 Ethereum 7 days ago, and within 7 days he just sold it for 6.1 Ethereum. Let me calculate, let me pop up the calculator and show you guys how much exactly they made, how much profit they made. Let's say they made 6.1 Ethereum and they minted at 2 Ethereum. They made a profit of 4.1 Ethereum. So the time we are making this video, 4.1 ETH cost equals 4.1 ETH equals 7,177.13. Can you imagine? Within 7 days, the guy just made 7,000 profit. You can literally say he made $1,000 per day. Yeah. Now let me show you other guys. Here's the second one. Okay, alright. So this guy minted it for 1.479. He generated a profit of 4.521, which is approximately $8,000. He generated 1,000 plus per day. And the next guy, third guy, which I'm going to show, and the last but not the least, just check out this guy. He minted it for 0.63 and he sold it for 6.33 just within 12 days. Okay, yeah, this guy took about 12 days to sell his NFT, but he made it, right? If we just take the 6.33 and 63, he made a profit of 5.7, which is about $10,000. $10,000 in just a couple of days. It's not a big deal for an NFT world, right? So this is what I wanted to show you guys, how much each NFT can make you. Now the question is, how to actually find these type of potential upcoming project. Method number one, Twitter. Okay, how to find the potential NFT projects on Twitter? It's really easy. You don't have to pay anyone anything. You just have to be active on Twitter. You need a Twitter account. You need to follow all NFT promoters, all top NFT promoters. Those have 50k plus followers. Just like me, we got about 81.6k followers already, and we are growing day by day. Here is our username. You can follow us if you want, but the thing is that what I want to show you guys is follow NFT promoters on Twitter and see what they are promoting. Like this, we are promoting this NFT, and currently they are at 4k engagements already. They are doing really good. The next NFT project you'll find here. Okay, I don't want to sign up. Okay, the next project having 2k likes. The next one having 6k likes, retweets, comments, etc. And this one, just look at this NFT. It is really popping up in the Twitter currently here. And by the way, these toner sketches are also our own art, so you can mint them. Just you can find the link in our Twitter bio. If you want to mint any of our NFTs, you can do that. And here's the next one. You can easily go and apply for whitelist sports. Alright, I found this project and they have, let me click on the username, their Twitter account, and they have a Discord link, and you will definitely find a roadmap, document only this code is. The second method to find out the potential NFT projects is go to nftcalendar.io and also go to rarity sniper.com, nftcalendar.io and raritysniper.com. I will leave the link in my video description so you guys can find out from there. There you will see the current and upcoming NFT project that can make you rich within a couple of days. Just you have to do some research. Don't go with these featured because these guys have paid them more money than others. That's why they just put them on featured. I personally don't like these kind of things, but it is what it is. You know, it's world. Everyone wanna make some profit, so they are doing it. Alright, so the best and free method is to go to NFT calendar, go to each collection Twitter and OpenSea page and see what are the activity of their NFT project. If they are making sales every minute or they are making a dozen of sales within an hour, then you can go and make them. So the third method to find the next upcoming and potential NFT project is by just going to OpenSea, go to the stats and click on ranking. You will see all the top collections that are making sales within 24 hours or within 7 days. You will also see the floor price, current floor price, owners and items, total number of items. This is the collection. Let me refresh because the images are not loading yet. It's just loading. Okay, open them in incognito. Let's see OpenSea.io and check if the images are working or not. No, images are not working. Maybe it's some kind of server issues on OpenSea. But what I want to show you guys is check out the top 5 or top 10 collections and see how frequently they are selling. Go to the collection, check out the activity section of it and see how much they are selling within a minute. You can see the guy just sold an NFT of $5,000 2 minutes ago, $2,000 4 minutes ago, $2,000 9 minutes ago. So they are generating frequent sales, right? And this is a good collection, I must say. Also check out the graph of their selling price, and it's going higher. It's upward, means they are generating profit. Everyone is trying to buy this, so it is another potential NFT project. Also, I would like to offer another free NFT giveaway to you guys because I am seeing a good potential from you. So here's the thing, the rules are very simple. You have to like this video, you have to share this video, then comment your Ethereum wallet that is connected with OpenSea, and last but not the least, you have to subscribe us so we can get more subscribers as fast as you guys want. So that's it for today. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys will generate a couple of $1,000 in the next few days. Don't forget to show me and comment a screenshot of your sales. Don't forget to share us with your social media profiles. We'll meet you in the next video. So till that, have a nice day.